Welcome back to As It Hot, on top of the senior brother of all the television stations when inside the world, Wazobia Max for UHF 57 and Wazobia TV for channel 98 for GoTV. Ezugu Chukudi Unkubi and our Ogbonge visitor, Comrade Murphy Abadoni, and with the chook mouth inside the latest development we get to do with the $2.1 billion arms money. Sharp information from our people when they for ground with their ear when stand at attention, don't carry and come out say former senator representing Ekiti Central Babafemi Ojudu say for inside the government of President Muhammadu Buhari they don't carry customized position give am. He go be special advisor on political matters. We they tell him say he do well because he don't come here severally, don't discuss issues when they affect us for inside Obodo Nigeria, and we been see saying a person when we say they passionate about this our country. We believe say we even they inside the government of President Muhammadu Buhari, anything when get to do with political advice, he go give them the right to when go move our country forward. Comrade Murphy, make we no waste time. This breaking news don't enter now. We no go just come they discuss am because we dey very very sure say the person when we say they give this office na person when go do am well. Make we continue with this other one they discuss. Before we hold you go on break, you been give analogy of person when we say one build house. And you go ensure say everything they in the right place. The people when we say they carry out the work, then they well. But when it come to government work, where we say plenty money day and many people go benefit from them, it go come they turn abandoned projects. Make we come go straight into this matter now. Why you being say for this our country? We go get plenty money when we say some people go just collect the money. They don't know where the thing they come from. They don't know the source. Now plenty money. They don't know the source. And they go just collect and say they use and send them one particular message or the other. Shey say some people they look, they come on eye. Or some people don't alter the book when government they use, they record all these things. Make it be like say, you know, they clear.
All of them follow. All of them join.
All of the above.
All of them join because anybody when say he receive money, but he don't know how it take come. Like I hear say somebody recently say
who could be called their name now?
Olisemetu say he receive money, but he don't know where the money they come from. Now big wayo, now big lie, big lie. If you receive money for your account, you don't know where they come from. What will be the first thing to do?
Now to investigate now, find out where the money
first
come
of all,
from.
that you call your bank. What did they happen? I see one alert. I'm not expect any money.
Who send them and all that?
At his level, he not get account officer. He don't know the road to his bank don't lost. You go visit your bank, talk to your bank. And this one, I don't know where it come from. So that one a pure lie.
What of if, for example, now like maybe testimony? Say miracle way happen. Not be say the money in-law say this money they come from somewhere, but in no say that money when they come. Now another thing they won't use them do. I don't know whether I don't know this how they give excuse.
Exactly.
I just they talk.
The talk where you talk says the confused person.
No, wait till
money they fly into account.
No, what they try to be saying.
Maybe somehow, maybe you don't do one kind of fasting or prayer. Say, okay, in that split one kind of money.
Somehow. Make we give these two examples now. Former governor of Rivers State, Oga Peter Odili, and one-time governor of the old Enugu State, Jim Nwobodo. The two of them talk say they collect 100 million. But say that 100 million when they collect, now for logistics, to arrange election things for Southeast and South respectively. But they don't know, say that money now
from the $2.1 billion.
Now what are they talk? Check the person go chop the scene of waiting, no know where the thing they go. I don't know. I just they talk. Oh.
I understand what they talk. But make we not deceive ourselves because now we dey television. Peter Odili for in level and this Jim Nwobodo for their level, they not be Mugu. I know them. They are wise. They are exposed. They are educated.
Former governors.
They not be people when go say they don't know where money they come from. If your political party they organize elections, all of them don't involve for electoral process before. They don't do elections before. They know how they take run up. So if your party they do election now, they send you certain messages, then money they come from the Dasuki, from the Office of National Security Advisor. Common sense go tell you, but this money not supposed to come from here now. I don't blame me, they work for NEPA. All of a sudden, they can't say, MPA go pay you.
That be say monkey hand
if your way pure, the first thing not to say, no now, but this money, no, not be how they expect them from now. See where I work. My money is supposed to come from. Then you go make it known. If you make a known to the public, then people go know, say, the man shout that time saying, this money no understand them. All of them collect them quietly and they chop them. So if now they tell us, say, they don't know where money come from, now big lie. A big lie. And that is to tell you how greedy them they. Wouldn't be even 100 million to the old delay when all of us know. If not, people just want to join, they take and take. Wouldn't be 100 million. So my brother, make them answer the case. That is as simple as that. Say you don't know where money come from, not be issue. Even small people not go take that story.
Oga Comrade, we go Abuja now.
Exactly.
Collect this call from Oga Igo. Oga Igo, good morning. Welcome to Ask the Hot.
Oga Igo, good morning.
In a fight against corruption, let no secret cow spare out from the fight against corruption. So that you are from APC or from PDP, let the judiciary do their work respectively. With this, I greet everybody in the studio together once. Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Igo.
Secondly, if the president won't fight corruption, let's make it look into those where they sponsor Boko Haram too. Because those are the sponsor Boko Haram, they sponsor Boko Haram with Naira. They sponsor Boko Haram with dollars. You don't get me? Nobody for somebody to buy arms, to buy arms, they fight military people. Not be small money. If the president wants to make you know they look to always stolen fund, not be say as they recover stolen fund, you go forget because as if they say they fight corruption now, if they leave the people they sponsor them for corner and they say they pull more fuel and the Boko Haram they continue, make it look to that one. Then thirdly, in the other way, our guest in the studio talk about fund. These people they say they fight corruption now. ESP they arrest now. Are they well paid? Because if you are well paid where you work, somebody will easily give you bribe, then you will collect. You don't expect somebody to say when month end, when they work for EFC, they pay them 40,000 naira. Then you go send a message through and don't work out for that. There's somebody there, give them 1 million, you see no collect. No allowance after a month, they make it work. Corruption not go wipe up like that too. Let them look into their salary, let them review the salary of the people fighting corruption. There was judiciary, may they equip them. You know, this somebody say just one judge matter of 2.1 billion. You not get more, you not get car. Somebody offer car or Mercedes Benz of 40 million. You say make you not collect, may judge case anyhow. May they look to all those things. So these are the major things, the key things when they say we go take conquer corruption in our country. Good night.
Oga Igo, thank you very much for that contribution.
You know, emphasize on what you talk. Say,
exactly.
Funding for those who go conduct the thorough investigation. And you give example of what happened for the United Kingdom, where we say the case when involved former governor of Delta State, James Onane Ibori, say they look into the matter where. So when they come present all the evidence to them, he just look, say, make we no waste time. Say, make I just answer this case like this. But he mentioned something. He may talk about, say, those when we say they look into these cases when no get money. Before I go ask you this question, we go take this call from Oga Chukudi, but just put on for mind, say, I get one question to ask you. Oga Chukudi from Owerri, welcome to Ask the Hot.
Good morning, gentlemen.
Good morning,
Oga Chukudi.
Yeah, Oga Murphy, make I ask you one question.
Okay.
As you did so now, I come by you with something. Maybe you they owe me now. And I come for the money. You now say, go to Chukudi and collect the money. And I go to Chukudi. You now pay me the money. Is it my business to know what you and Chukudi do or to collect my money and go?
Okay.
That one now one. The second one, I think it is a high time we get to know the root of all these things. There are people we need to see in the cause of this fighting corruption. The CBN governor, who at his own, the president will tell, the former president will tell, give me 40 billion, you bring 40 billion. Under what subhead? Is it just bring it for spending sake, or is that money captioned under a particular subhead? If it is on a subhead, what is it for? How is this being spent at the end of the day? Because you don't just bring money that has no subhead in government. There must be something attached to the money. So the point I'm trying to make here is this. If you are owing me, or if you want to send me on an errand, please come and do this thing for me. When I come, you now say, okay, meet Chukudi, collect the money. The business ends by collecting the money. I don't know what you and Chukudi is doing, or whether he's owing you, or whether you get the money to keep for you. My own is, let this thing be properly digged out, ruled out. I mean, uproot the whole thing so I will understand who is at the end of this corruption. Thank you very much.
Oga Chukwudi, thank you very much for that contribution. Oga Murphy, you don't hear Oga Chukwudi?
Yes, but we need to understand certain things. Like Chukwudi talk, I sure think you don't listen what I talk say. You no go work for NEPA, go MPA, go the end salary. You understand? If, like in example, say you sell something, give Mr. A, you reach to collect money, Mr. A begin to send you to Mr. B, then they do business like that. If we have to tell ourselves the truth. Because it won't take anything to get the money ready and give to you. And especially, we are not talking about transactions of 1 naira. We're talking about issues that has to do with our government.
But okay, Oga Murphy, before I won't pick one cock, but then I'll quickly chip in this one. But when it comes to issue about government money, you still say it is appropriate to at least maybe carry investigation if any money comes into your purse, at least from government official. You understand? Okay, but I will still emphasize on that. We'll collect this call from Anya Fiok. Anya Fiok, they call us from Uyo. Good morning, Anya Fiok. Anya Fiok, good morning.
And if you did here, I beg you could try call us back. We appreciate say you try in the first place, but like say a network no make you connect us.
So what I try to Oga Murphy be say, Oga Chukwudi talk say okay, for instance, you give a typical example, say you and Chukwudi say they owe you money, you can't refer it to Chukwudi, you can't collect money from Chukwudi. But in this case, make we separate, make we try separate them from the ordinary people to government or related.
I feel as you want to smoke some before you finish. When you grow up, you don't dey opportune to meet one of those cases when they happen for street, when one guy go thief something, just give you as he give you the matter call letter come out. You know say you dey reach station first.
Yes.
When you are found with a stolen property,
Yes.
so if you do whatever, when anybody want to take siam, say they use money when get wahala pay you. You take case now, you must come and explain how you waka, which is exactly the stage where we dey now. That these people who don't hear their name need to come tell Nigerians how they waka. I know so I talk earlier, say so that at the end of the day, those ones when not really need to go jail, go fit out them, then go their house, go relax. Those ones when really, because if they use money when they thief pay you take beginner. I mean, that is not the inside now.
Very true.
Make you be saying at your shop. I come buy something for your shop. I then you discover saying that money I go steal somewhere. I take purchase that. You go stay outside.
Query.
Yeah.
Very true. Comrade, before I been collect that call from Oga Chukwudi, I been talk someone ask you one question. Oga Igo been talk about, say, if we get judges when we say maybe they don't get money, person can present them with something of maybe 40 million and they will take out. But my question I say, Oga President don't talk say one fearless judges. Now, he should not say, if I did very certain say if we give this person 100 million, if person come with 105 million, if na money be the problem, he go still collect am. Wetin you think say we must do to reach that level when we say wetin go dey the person mind na country first and not wetin go put for a pocket.
Yes,
but before you answer that question, no vex. We go collect this call from Oga Sonny all the way from Agege. Oga Sonny, good morning and welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Good morning, my brother.
Good morning, Oga Sonny.
Well, in terms of this corruption, waiting I see to say we should look up to the lawyers, the so-called lawyers. Because one, if the case was being given to them, and besides, which you knew that this person is guilty, and this person now, you now later bring up being the supporter of the person who is guilty, you now say, okay, fine, let this person be going, I mean, they should bail him on bail, to be coming from home to answer questions. Does that sound well? Which both of us, we knew that this man is faulty. And besides, you're not telling him to come from home, bail him home. So we should look at that aspect too. So-called lawyers are infected. They are part of the corruption too. Then when we talk of this Dasuki of the team, which whereby the 2-point-something million or billion dollars with him, which is holding to other people. And I could be imagining you've been sharing money and you are telling money comes to your someone's account and the person was now saying he doesn't know how the money
came from, yeah.
Now miracle, put the money there, I did the money fly, enter the account. Please, this country is been going far. We pray God should help us though.
Yeah, okay. Oga Sonny, now the same prayer they pray, may God help us. Thank you for that call. Oga Murphy, about the question which could ask you.
Yes, all of us, like I don't talk earlier, that we go appeal to government to fund these agencies. But when that caller, Chikode, mentioned paying the EFCC officials well, it's a good thing. Anybody when work deserves something good.
Something good, yeah.
But I would like to chip in this one. If na lack of money, they make people thief. These people, where would they hear their names today? Where they see their pictures? Dasuki, oh, this one went there on wheelchair. And all these our governors, when don't they loot our money? Therefore, not steal now. Because as a governor, ordinarily you are made.
Yes.
And so I think maybe we still get that aspect for mine. Say corruption, stealing, to get the habit not necessarily means that because say you lack. That is why you still see those our people when still they live in abject poverty. Who not the thief, not the thief. I think that one I want fact where we must also know.
Okay.
Who not the thief, not the thief. Who the thief, the more they get, the more they want. Now that is where we have found ourselves. Because none of these people will not be rich man in all standards. These politicians, no, there's no poor politician in Nigeria, unfortunately. So if now by say I not get make me the thief, they're not go thief. I think that I use that and clear that one. If now poverty, they're not go thief now, because then get.
Comrade, this talk when we say you don't open now, now something when we say we as Nigerians suppose they're very, very concerned about. But before we are going to open another new case or inside this matter, we will collect this call from Oga Friday. Oga Friday, they call us all the way from Uyo. Oga Friday, good morning. It be like say the network no to connect us. Make we come move further, comrade. It be like say we they see something interesting for this particular issue. I don't know whether not because of say if we check them somehow those when we say don't appear for court. Now people where come from. I don't know. I go bring this matter in from the northern part of Nigeria. We know say one constant feature when they this country be say if they talk say this person get case against them, people they wear Ashwebi, they come out, they talk say leave our brother alone, he no thief anything, all those kind of things. Before I complete that question, Oga Ima they call us all the way from Lekki. Oga Ima, good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Ima.
Good morning, inside there.
Good morning.
Thank you. When we are talking about poverty that is making people to corrupt, to lose, we are not talking about poverty of lack, lack of money. Poverty of the mind.
Thank you.
They are poor in their mind. They gather what they don't need.
Thank you.
What they don't need, that is what they are gathering. Fear of unknown. And putting the masses under abject poverty of lack. We that we are supposed to be gathering of what we need, they are taking what we need as what they don't need. Let them go to jail, recover our money, and let us get developed. God bless Nigeria.
Oga Ima, thank you very much. Oga Ima. Your own day straight to the point. Make we recover the money. They very, very important. Don't be just to send them go where they go. Comrade, you go answer that question when I be drop. Although I never complete them. What are they try talk exactly? Now say how we go take do when we say we go reach that level when we say people go sit down for house talk say. Okay, this person making go court, go answer in case. Rather than say you sponsor people or your town union people go just wake up, wear clothes, come out, carry placard. Some not even the fee spell the name of the person when the placard, the charges when they level against them. If you ask them, they go say they don't know. So when we go feel reach that level, when we say as Nigerians, even though the person that my kinsman, I go sit down and talk say, bros, no verse, me and you dey, but go answer this thing. If you no do am, you go come house back. If you do am, you go answer your mama name.
We'll go reach there. Unfortunately, we don't did that place before. We don't did there earlier, maybe during the days of our parents.
And you don't be earlier, that you don't find out. You talk, I be one calculate, say, which I want, like, because, they never born me that time.
No. When them born you, things don't spoil. When them born me, things don't spoil.
Hey.
Then, you go see mama go come out publicly, bring him pikin, say, this pikin, not good, he the thief.
He take what he belong to him.
Openly. That time, if you come back from school, pencil, when your man not buy for you, can't follow your bag, reach out. You go explain now, and they should explain, you explain with beating now. then you go talk who get am.
Comrade, make we collect this call from Oga Aka. Oga Aka, they call us from Lekki. Oga Aka, welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Oga, I see the horse without too much.
Thank you, sir.
Wetin I all try to talk before, I dey gbadun na show.
Thank you.
As I dey see una go, the show, when I just dey do am like that, dey go. Na God go dey bless una, dey go.
Amen, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Oka.
Oga Solomon, they call us all the way from Chicago. Oga Solomon, good morning and welcome to As E Dey Hot.
My people, how are they now?
We dey greet you, Oga Solo.
Yes, that I want to talk, because when it comes to Nigeria matter, the thing I can't go ahead like tomorrow no day because of the love when I get for my people. You see one thing, it is a good thing to have a good road when gallop no day. It's a good thing to get medical facilities. It's a good thing. Like now, for the past 16 years I did the US, for 1 second, my light never go off. You understand? Water day, everything they work. All these things are supposed to work for Nigeria, but the corruption thing, na big cancer when it don't kill Nigeria deeply. If I get my way, you get what thing they fulfill to fight corruption in Nigeria. They will introduce what kind maybe subject for schools to teach people about corruption. Say corruption is a sin, when that kills. So that all these our young children, when they grow up, they will get that for mind. It go there for their frame of mind. Say yes, this is an evil thing. Wait, I want to talk again. They say, look, we thank God for Oga Buhari because I never seen any leader. Well, okay, now everybody talk of corruption, right? They fight the corruption right now. People were talking only one political party do they face. Fine. For the past 15 years, now one party don't the rule things. So APC or any other political party, they don't really get time to bid for that kind of key position when they will feed the thief money. Fine, now APC the rule right now. If the next political party come, when they fight whoever they want to fight. Now, small like this, the change will take start. So we need to give that man big credit. Now, only 2.1 billion, I just expect they're talking about that petroleum minister on. I never hear anything about that one, because that one have bigger money, $20 billion.
Oga Solomon, thank you very much for this contribution. We appreciate the fact that even though you did diaspora, you see the chook mouth for issues where affect us for Nigeria. We also encourage our brothers, them when they outside this country, say, as soon as they enjoy all the good things when they that part, make una they also they remind us for years so that we go they demand more from our government people there. We go rush enter inside small break. When we go come back, now the final bus stop, and we go allow comrade address all the issues from start to finish with all the time. No go anywhere when they come back. Welcome back to As E Dey Hot. Ezugu Chukuri Unkubi and our Ogbonge visitor, Comrade Murphy, dey inside studio. And we dey discuss the latest development as it get to do with the $2.1 billion arms money. The latest for the issue now say the talk person of the People's Democratic Party, Chief Olisametu, yesterday, officials of the EFCC enter a house for around Games Village side for Abuja. Some people talk say a friendly invitation to answer some kind of questions. Other people talk say na arrest. The People's Democratic Party don't issue statement say nothing must happen to them. Then demand the unconditional release. They come talk say they get gist say it be like say somehow they won't put some kind of things for inside waiting go chop or waiting go drink. Comrade Murphy, from where we don't dey now, e good make we dey look forward. We don't discuss these problems. We go back to when the thing starts. All the people when they caught, people when we say they come out, they talk say this person no do am, but you don't make am clear. Say if you know say you no do am, go court, go prove say you no do am. If you know say you do am, go court, go answer your mama name. Make we come move forward from here. Question number one: how we go get society when we say it go dey very very difficult for some people to fit just look say this money or like this we won't use am do, but make we just do am in another way, put am for inside our pocket, knowing well say I dey very very certain say if no be say na new administration enter when they bent on this particular issue, we fit no say $2.1 billion.
They're missing somewhere.
First question.
If I go still talk about our legal system. That is why it could be very important make we amend our laws. Because the only reason why people know they too steal, because nowhere in the world where they know they steal.
Not true.
But the only reason why they know they too steal for some countries like Britain and America, Now, first of all, now the fear of the law.
The fear of the law.
Yes, and that is even what we were taught in school. One of the reasons why people they abstain from crime, now fear of what will happen if you commit the crime. So if we get strong institutions where it is very certain, say if you commit crime, if you steal government money, you're not going to manipulate any judge, you're not going to manipulate any lawyer, you're not going to manipulate the system, so you must go jail. I think that one will help us a long way, because why this thing still going on? Because say, some persons still believe they go buy their way at the end of the day. Then we as a people too must change the way we they think, change the way we they do things. You know, before we go off air, I was trying to tell you how Nigerians they live before. Once your mercy will not belong to you, instantly. That time, if you get money when your parents not they sure of the source, then they immediately they denounce, men, return it and all that.
But quickly, Oga Bofi, based on this what we just talked, as part of your last time, this thing, noticing now maybe because of say, now that's some abject poverty where we don't they go through right now. Now in the day easy for these are some of our politicians to feel say, okay, make we give these people we know to get my money, so that make them come talk, make them come and carry placard, come and call the protest, say, this person that are picking, or this person that are picking. How you say, as part of this, how you say we go fit change the mindset of these people, so that they're not going to see them from that angle of say, because of say I no get. That's why they can't do this thing. Maybe they rather they see them from the angle, say, okay, make it day neutral, so that if eventually this person they find guilty, at least we go fit day sure say yes, we do help in developing our country.
Nah, first of all, you know, say, because of this corruption too, our economy not there where it's supposed to be. That is why we today talk about poverty on a daily basis. If government will also help Nigerians, empower our educational system strongly, make sure say them fund educational system, so that many people, because education too, now one vital
big tool
aspect, because illiteracy, you know, my lecturer say if you say knowledge there, make you try illiteracy. If so many of our people they enlightened, somebody not go fit just come deceive you from anywhere with a dereka, a cup of a rice. Say make una gather chatter one bus. Make una go test. If you go villages, see how they mobilize these women and men for this protest, you go laugh. Even during campaigns. You go just go meet one lady when be chair lady of a meeting. A meeting group, give them some money, give them some bags of rice, then you will call a meeting, you call the other members, say, will they go to so place? They don't even know what they are going for. Most times they just show uniform. And they share to 2,000, 1,000 pending. And they are there. So they don't even know why they are there. So you must disregard all those people carry placards. It's not relevant. That is during campaign, you go see, say, the crowd, when you see for Mr. A campaign, watch the faces where you go see the way Mr. B on campaign. Because they don't even know what you talk about now. Just bring the money and the rights and...
Comrade Murphy, this particular discussion, now something when we say we will continue to talk. The most important reason I say Nigerians must know, Nigerians must be informed. This country belongs to all of us. And if we check the percentage of those when we say they lead us, it not reach 1% of the total population. So the voice of 160 million plus strong Nigerians, now it go always they talk when we say other people go do what we supposed to. We go thank you, say you carry waka, come on top of us in the hot as we invite you to come discuss this particular issue. I go shake your hand again. I don't know down people go shake.
Thank you.
We not go waste time. Our people in the house. Una remember the information we will give una. Say one of our we go call am Papa when don't come join us here discuss issues when they affect us for inside Obodo Nigeria. Oga Baba Femi Ojodu, former senator when they represent Ekiti Central, say President Muhammadu Buhari don't carry special advisor position. Give am as it take concern political matters. We they tell am say congratulations and make you remember say Nigeria belong to all of us and anything when he must do, he must be for the interest of everybody when they Nigeria. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic when they come up plenty smoke to discuss the thing as it dey hot. We cut salute, give una and we tell una bye bye.
Una bye bye till tomorrow when we will come again.
Come
so Murphy, thank you very, very much.
Give me your number.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.